Okay, we're going to talk about RGB images again. Yesterday we worked on these RGB images, and we started our color images. We talked about how we started out with 3 bits per pixel, and we used 100 to make red. We used 010 to make green, and then we used 001 to make blue. Okay, then we talked about how to make different shades and mix colors. We used 6 bits per pixel to give more shades of red, green, and blue and other colors. And then we used 9 bits per pixel. This is just kind of a continuation. Okay. Remember, this is kind of just, like I said, a little bit of a review. This is a zoomed in picture of this American flag. Remember, all of these little pixels that you guys see is just a mixture of red, green, and blue. This is sequences of zeros and ones as the computer understands it. You guys have some sort of understanding about it now. This is just kind of basically shows you how the images show up. One thing you do need to know is when RGB is given to from an input from a user to a computer, it is given in a decimal number. So any number from 0 to 255 will be acceptable to the computer. So if I use 255, that's the maximum number. So if look at this number right here. It goes 255 for red, 255 for green. So that's max red, max green, and then 0 for blue, which gives me red on, green on, blue off, which really gives me the color yellow. You guys kind of get the hint. If you see a fourth number ever, the fourth number is basically letting you know if there's any transparency in the picture. That's really all you kind of need to know about that. So now we need to navigate to our Google Classroom and open up the Create Your Color Palette 1.8 worksheet. We're going to do this. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's pretty fun. The very first one, and I guess I was starting to do this one already. This is how you do the very first one. And let me go ahead and take that off. Let me take this off real fast. Okay, so this is how you do the very first one. It says we've discussed how RGB uses pixels to create color. Remember, each placeholder can hold values 0 to 255. This is for RGB. To represent different shades of red, green, and blue. We also have looked at values on a computer, or how our computer comprehends using the hexadecimal number system. All the hexadecimal means, it's just basically a different code to make the same kind of value for RGB. Okay. Let's combine the two to create our color palette with your 3 favorite colors. So here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to click this link. Okay, and it's step-by-step instructions here if you want to just read these. But let's click this link, and that opens up our color picker. And here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to move the slide on the color picker, and you're going to choose your favorite color. Okay, this is a primary color here. You can kind of move it around to find your favorite color blue, your favorite shade. Once you get done, I want you to copy the hexadecimal number. Okay, let's copy it, and let's go back to our worksheet. We're going to click on the first box, or the first circle, to make a box around it. You're going to click Edit. You're going to click on the circle again here, make a box around it. And when we do, our paint bucket comes up and it says Fill Color. So find the paint bucket, click on it, go to Custom, and we are basically going to just delete what's in there and paste a new one. Now here's what happens when you do that sometimes. There's an imaginary hashtag or little number thing here. Make sure you delete that. Okay. So if I were to go and let's do that again. So if I were to click on this and click on the paint bucket and just go custom and then go just go paste, it'll still stay the color it was. Take this hashtag out, and then the number the actual color you want will come up. Okay, and you guys are going to hit OK. You're going to save and close, and you've done the very first color. You pick the first color you like. I've already got the hexadecimal copied, so I'm just going to paste it there. And then it needs the RGB color for it. Go back to my color picker. I find the RGB code here. I copy it. and I paste it there. Okay, simple enough. You guys are going to do all three colors yourself. Okay, and remember, you can read these directions or go back and listen to this video again. Here's the second task you're going to do. This is an example of three different colors, and they're RGB and hexadecimal codes for them. Each of those colors is an example chart above belong to a company or school. Can you identify them? So you guys do your best to try to research on Google. Open up another tab and start researching where these colors, what they belong to. Okay, and then the last task is most universities and companies have an official RGB color. Do some research and find the RGB colors for your favorite school, company, brand, etc. And you guys are going to paste those here along with the codes underneath them. Once you guys have done that, you're done for the day. Make sure you submit this assignment. I hope you had fun doing it.